Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off your active online status on Instagram. So if you don't want people to see when you're online or when you were last active, follow along step by step to turn it off. Alright, let's dive in. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Now tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the Settings and Activity menu. Now scroll down to the section called How Others Can Interact with You and tap on Messages and Story Replies. Next, look for Show Activity Status and tap on it. You'll see a toggle that controls whether other people can see when you're active on Instagram. Simply turn this toggle off. Once you turn it off, people will no longer be able to see your active or online status. Keep in mind that when you disable your activity status, you also won't be able to see the activity status of other people. And that's it. Your Instagram active online status is now turned off, so you can use Instagram without showing others when you're online. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and tricks.